Welcome, Libra. Let's see your tarot message for December. This is for Libra. One tarot message, one card for December. The Six of Wands, Libra. So, this is all about victory, success, recognition, a major achievement, Libra. So, this is Wands is related to work. I'm picking up some major success in your work, and this is a card of accomplishment and a very good card of victory, success, and forward movement. So you're being rewarded, you're being recognized for your skills and for your efforts. So all in all, this is a very successful card for Libra. Scorpio, one card for Scorpio, Scorpio for the month of December. Let's see what the message is from the tarot, Scorpio. The King of Wands, Scorpio. So this is all about you, all about your power, taking action, taking charge. So the King of Wands is about leadership, structure, authority, and action. So the King of Wands is a passionate new project, something that you've been working upon, and you're finally determined to take action and move forwards. This is all about success, and it's all about opportunities. New opportunities are coming this month. It's all about your fire, your passion. So you're very passionate about your job. The wands is your career, your work. You're going to be shining this month, and it's all about pushing yourself forward and achieving your goals. A very, very powerful month, Scorpio. This is a very, very powerful card for the month of December. This is a King of Wands. So it's all about leadership, structure, and taking responsibility and action. Also, a lot of people will be attracted towards you. People will be asking you for a lot of guidance. So you're in a very powerful position to manifest your goals. Welcome, Sagittarius. One card for Sagittarius for the month of December. This is for Sagittarius. One card for Sagittarius. The Five of Swords. Five of Swords is a card of challenges and conflict and competition. So, Sagittarius, this month you could be feeling a bit under competition. There could be challenges in your work environment. So, the Five of Swords is basically a hollow victory. People might be sabotaging, you could be finding yourself in a bit of a conflict. There could be some work challenges around you, or it could be any environment. So, the best advice of this card is to pull away yourself from the drama and not get affected by the drama. Okay, so this is standing up your ground and pulling yourself from this kind of a situation. I'll pull out a clarification card for Sagittarius. Magician card. So it's a beautiful card. So this month, the Magician, the energy of December is the Magician. So basically, you're coming out of this energy. You're coming out of conflicts. You're coming out of betrayal, hardships, and and competition. You're taking your power out of this drama, and you finally come into realization that if you want something, it is you that has to do it on your own. So it's all about manifestations. You've got the Magician, you're very skilled, you've got the power to manifest the life that you want, manifest the reality that you want, and it all starts with you. So take your power back and keep away from these kind of situations, keep away from the drama, from the negativity. And this is your month. This is definitely your month, Sagittarius season, December, right? Capricorn, one message for Capricorn. What are the energies for Capricorn this month of December? Let's pull out a tarot card. You've got the Page of Pentacles. So, Page of Pentacles is a new financial opportunity, Capricorn. This is all about learning. This is all about learning a new skill, education, and the Page of Pentacles is teaching courses. You could be learning something new. You could be putting your eyes onto a new skill. But this is all in all a new financial opportunity, some new project, the opening of a new project this month. So it's all about money and finances. Money and finances are looking good, and there could be some new financial news that's coming. Might be a new project or a new job opportunity that's coming this month. So expect a message that comes in this month. This month is all about skill building, teamwork, and learning something. This is all about education, curiosity, and new skills. Welcome, Aquarius. Let's see what the December tarot card reading for Aquarius is. Aquarius, one card for Aquarius. The Knight of Cups, beautiful card, Aquarius. So, the Knight of Cups is a reconnection from the past. The Knight of Cups is somebody coming back to you from the past. This is a return for someone, return of somebody, unexpected return of a love connection from the past. I feel that this person carries love feelings towards you, and this is an emotional apology. This could be a charming message. This could be return of a charming person that comes back into your life. And here they are. They are back to you. They are back to your life, Aquarius. So this is all about love messages. This is all about healing and caring, the connection, and moving into a romance. So this is a beginning of a relationship. This could be the beginning of a friendship that deepens over time. So this is a beautiful card, Aquarius, and enjoy the festive season. Pisces, welcome, Pisces. Welcome for your December tarot card reading. Let's pull out one card for Pisces. The Three of Cups, beautiful card, Pisces. A beautiful card to end the festive season. So the Three of Cups is all about reunions, get-togethers, celebrations, and feelings of togetherness and feelings of happiness. So it's a beautiful card of joy, celebrations, reunions from the past. So these are people and places from the past, your friendships, your mutual friends, your relatives, your family get-togethers. It's a card of embracing the innocence and the sweet feelings towards each other and celebrating one another. So this is all about your mutual friends and your social circles, people who always think the best of you, and people who are your well-wishers. It's a beautiful reconnection with people. So it's all about embracing your creativity and happiness. And this is something like a wish fulfillment, something that makes your heart very happy. This is a month of celebrations, Pisces. Enjoy the festive period.